You literally hear my feet squishing the dirt. It is literally a slush. It rained after it snowed. A lot of this turned to ice. Now it's all melting. I just know if you come out here in Crocs, you're gonna bust your ass for the ice, fucking mud. Definitely gonna be some yellow snow here later.
Cause we're gonna need it today. Since we maxed it out on fucking deadlift.
Yeah, after you maxed out on the squat the other day.
Yeah. And I'm just out, 2 days ago, and I was really sore. So
let's throw up that fucking max. Yeah, up, drive. Good shit, dude. Give him 315. We're a little bit more sophisticated now, not as cavemanish, because we got our heater down here.
Oh yeah.
And now we can actually warm up our hands instead of just have fucking clubs.
Yeah, and you didn't freaking turn it on like an hour ago, so it's
hell no. It's
cold as fuck.
It's like 40 out there, bro.
Yeah, but it's maybe 30 in here.
It's been rough though, past couple days.
All this concrete.
I'm surprised it's not sweating right now, like for real. It went from like what, 30, maybe 28 last night, like 40, and it's pretty dry in here. Hey, look at that good form, straight fucking back. Yeah. Woo. Gotta show you guys the ingenuity, the redneck ingenuity.
Don't try it at home.
Yeah, look at that. It's taken straight out of a fucking house. Got a little housing unit. And don't even get me started on the plug-in.
I don't even know if I'd put that plug-in on the internet.
Yeah, do not try this at home, bro. Do not try that at home.
Looks good to me. I know you do too, probably, but look at this. I've been seeing crazy deadlift too. They fucking get down here and just yank that. I'm like, oh, your arms are gone.
Yeah.
Like, gosh, dude. And fucking rounded that one guy.
Yeah. Good. Damn, right in the flex and shrug it at the top.
I was just kind of feeling the weight,
Yeah, feeling how light it is.
Yeah, I was just touching the weight. Seeing if the weight's man enough. That's the way it's all.
Come on, let's go. Hips, good. Drop, you good. Good shit. Easy. Light, hips, good. That was hard after you got past your knees a little bit. Mid-workout time. Currently at 4:05, just taking my fucking break.
Maybe just right.
I think I'm gonna warm up the hips a little bit with this. Yeah. Dude, I was making sure you weren't about to fucking fall out on me. You fucking popped that shit, dude.
Yeah. I still got 30 reps on it, bro.
2 seconds of rest, by the way.
Yeah. How much more?
Yep. God, what a fucking fight. What a fight.
I ain't barely even do that.
The pre-workout gut got to the motherfucker. So now he's going to the house to take a shit. Woo. We're going to warm up in the meantime. Yeah.
All my friends are dead, puts me to the edge.
Alright, now watch Will kill the fucking Will kill the fuck out of his hamstrings. Bro hates himself. Hell yeah. Damn! What a deep fucking stretch, dude. Bro was forcing them fuckers to grow.
Yeah, you got to.
Yeah, good shit, dude.
Can't have tight hamstring, brother.
Bro, he's stretching it. Bro's doing toe touches. No touching his toes.
I'd set him on the ground.
Bro doing the Miss Mitzi punishment, but with weight. Hell yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
I feel it. Just I can go all the way down to my damn ankle and that shit, man.
Yeah, probably because you're doing a bouncing act in those fucking crocs.
Cry gang!
Get fatal in the bottom, used to rumble in the den. Hit them with a combo. They can't make me round since.
Or they were spamming accessories. Yep. Like 20th fucking rep, by the way. Oh yeah. Those moans are gonna bring in new viewers, bro. Yep. Damn.
I go all night rolling, baby. Dude, heard a guy say that your legs, so pretty much your big muscles, all of them, I don't know if it's true or not, don't take my word for it, but need the reps. And your biceps and your smaller muscles just need heavy weight, just a short burst of like heavier weight. You don't need the reps on your arms, but you need the reps on your legs. Go ahead, bro, because like your legs made for running, your arms just made for lifting heavy shit.
I think it is pretty good bro science because I've never heard that shit before, but we'll watch Wilma, see how he blows up, and
He feels like that Dorito build a little more.
Watch this shit, man.
Okay. I honestly thought you had it for a second. Yeah. Keep the weight stack, buddy. That's about as heavy as Will's nuts weigh. Yeah. Yep. Good shit. Bro's hungry. Bro wants some fucking reps. Yeah! Let's go. Good shit, dude. Okay, yeah, double pump.
Yeah.
myself again. I'm a every record gotta put in. I got homies who used to be my friends. Pull me up, let myself again.
I don't give a fuck, I keep it on the side. Now she see me. Fuck one way, I'm kinda sick. We going from my dinner. You kinda right. I'm playing tough, I hate you, son. Yeah, I'm smoking to the I don't trust nobody. And then we just went away and shot them.
Not that bad of a workout, but definitely not the best. But regardless, any day we go over 500 pounds in deadlift and walk away from it uninjured is a day that we're very blessed. So very grateful for today. I feel like with how slow it was moving, it was a great decision to back down, do 495 for a couple sets of 3, you know, get some heavy pulls, not just singles. I was feeling kind of tight in the hamstring. I've tore in the past, so I didn't want to risk an injury, especially with meat being so close. But last week, I believe we got 545 or 555 top set. And I think my primate brain has kind of taken over, and I've been snacking a lot more and eating a lot more, I know. But still, I weighed this morning about 183, so we are a little bit heavier than what we were because I have been eating pretty good for the past 3 days. I was kind of hoping the extra calories would help increase the weight we were pushing, but we'll see. Tomorrow's chest day. I might vlog tomorrow too, I'm not really sure, but today was a very good day. Glad Will could make it today. He fucking killed it today. Fucking spammed the shit out of hamstrings. I was over here getting most of my sets, and every time I go for a set, he'd go for his. So I didn't record every set he was doing, but he did a shit ton today. But outside of all that, let's see what the pump looks like in the snow. I hope you guys have a good morning and a good night whenever watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.
One thing I love about snow is the amount of night vision it gives you. I mean, this is a great visibility for so late at night.